First off, I'm just going in with a little bit of P. Louise base and I'm just priming the eyelids. As promised guys, we are going in with the very last row of the 'Tis the Season palette. So we're just going in with this kind of burgundy pinky red row here, and we're taking mulled wine and stockings, and we're just going to mix these two colours together and we're going to blend that in the outer V of our eyes. Also kind of winging this out a little bit as well, just kind of feathering it out at the ends. Now just taking my first shimmer shade, which is called Tinsel, and we're putting this in the inner of our eyelids. Also putting a little bit of cranberries over the top of that as well at the outer edge. Just curling my lashes, and we're going to go in with the Paris Lash by Lily White Cosmetics. I'm just tight lining with some black coal liner as well. Just going in with a little bit of concealer just so that I can do my under eye as well. So I'm just taking my Lily Duro concealer, then I'm just taking the shimmer shade which is called Cranberries, and I'm placing this in my lower lash line. Now I'm just taking this gripping primer by Wee Cherie and I'm putting this all over my face. Then I'm just going in with the Revolution Conceal and Define foundation, and I'm just putting some of the Revolution powder over the top of that as well. I actually think my battery ran out at this point, so you don't actually see me getting to do my foundation, but I'm just going over that with some Hoola bronzer. Now we're just taking some of the Revolution powder, and I'm taking my H&B Cosmetics little powder puff, and I'm just mattening up that face a little bit. Now I'm just taking this Beat Face Cosmetics little blusher, and I'm just applying quite a generous amount of this. Now I'm just going in with the Primark lip liner. This is in the shade Toast, and I'm taking the Revolution lipstick in Absolutely Flawless. Then I'm just going in with this little pigment from Peaches and Cream. This is the pigment in the shade Peril, and I'm just putting this in my inner corners. And that is this look. I hope you guys love it. Stay tuned for more.